Hi, I'm Richard,
I'm Margot.
and this is week 3 of Balboa Transitions, Wednesday Night Hop, December
2017.
2017. Last lesson of the year.
Yep. So this week we worked on a little bit of the what if model. We talked a little bit about how to think about making new sequences for yourself that either are all bow combos or that move in and out of bow and Lindy, bow and Charleston, such by basically thinking about splitting your regular move at a different point and trying something different. So, if, for example, if you're a lead and your follow normally moves down your left side on this particular pass by, what happens if you send them down the right side or into an outside turn instead? Basically, just breaking the thing that you already know and trying something different. So the couple of moves that we worked on tonight, the first one was a Lindy circle into a pop turn back into a bow basic.
Yeah, and we did that. We came up with that with the what if exercise, figuring out, well, we've done a whole bunch of different things this month, and we want to figure out a way to get into the 6 and 7 of a pop turn from Lindy. So we started out with our Lindy basic, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and then into a circle, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, collect, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yep, and leads, the thing to think about on this move that makes it different from a regular Lindy circle is on 5 and 6, instead of continuing the rotation with your partner, you're actually working in opposition to your partner to create that stretch away for our cued on 7.
We release the front hand somewhere between 5 and 6, and we start opening up. Stay close. Move the right hand from down on the lower back up a little bit higher to the shoulder blade of the armpit. Stay nice and close so that we get that lock, so that we can pop so the follower can't accidentally roll off.
Yep, followers, we talked about the idea of not creating that tension for our partner by clamping down. We want to make sure that any energy here is actually because we're compressing through a rotation.
Mm-hmm.
So as I stretch here, and then we pop in the other direction.
Yep. And then it's the second half of a come around into.
Yep, you guys have all done pop turns, so that went pretty good. Then we worked on a little brainstorming exercise where we worked on each group came up with a couple of different ideas for ways to transition from an out and in into a open Lindy position. We had a couple fun ones. We're going to try and recreate those as best we can for you, but you have to forgive us. They're your moves, so you'll have to teach them to each other probably. The first one was a pass by down the lead's right side with a turn, like that. So that was good. We had another one that was a rotation.
4, 5, 6, 7, and rotate.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And then out into a swing out.
Yep.
The counts on that one may get a little bit wonky, but I think we all know at this point that winding up on a slightly different count is correctable. It'll feel better if it's on one, but it works out fine when it all adds up. And then
I showed the one that we came up with in the exercise before
the
class.
one that we came up with was essentially a out and in into crossovers with a send out and
down the left side
and an outside turn.
An underarm outside turn for the followers.
Yeah. So that looked like this.
We've got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 into these crossover 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then a stretch 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Yeah. And leads, in order for that to work nicely, you're actually traveling across your partner's line a little bit and kind of keeping up with them. It's much harder if you stand in one place and try to send your partner past and turn two.
Let's do it at a slightly different direction, a slightly
Different
different
angle?
Face this way. So we'll do the out and ins. So we've got this 1, 2, 3. Sorry, do a basic first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Crossover 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then we straight into our.
Yeah. So we hope that inspired you to get out there and
make up your own stuff.
Break your bow and try something different and see what happens. Grab a friend, experiment, and yeah, have fun.
The thing to remember about experimenting is that sometimes it won't work, and that's okay.
And
Those are all learning exercises.
Yeah, and sometimes it's a miraculous new move.
It might be the next dream. Who knows?
Yep, could be. All right, we'll see you guys another time. Take
Have
care.
a happy holiday. See you in 2018.